Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make pizza from scratch. For this you'll require 3 cups of maida, sugar, salt, butter, yeast which is the main ingredient, and 1 cup of warm water. The first step is to activate the yeast. For this we'll require 1 cup of warm water. Mix 1 cup of warm water. One and a half teaspoon of sugar. Mix it well. Sugar is used to activate the yeast. Make sure the water is not hot or else the yeast dies, and if it's too cold the yeast doesn't activate. 2.5 spoon of yeast. Mix it well. And let it rest in a warm place for around 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll keep our maida mixture ready. This is around 3 cups of maida. Required amount of salt as per your taste. As per my choice, I am adding garlic powder, little bit of garlic powder, little bit of onion powder. Mix it well. The yeast has been activated and this is how it looks, foamy. Now we'll add this yeast to the maida mixture and knead it well. Knead it for around 10 minutes. Once the dough is ready, this is how it should look, and when I press it, it should bounce back. Grease a vessel and place your dough inside it. And grease this vessel with butter. You can grease the top of the dough also. Grease the maida well with butter or else it will get dried, and let it rest for around 45 minutes to 1 hour. Meanwhile, get all your toppings ready. For now I'm using red and green capsicums, tomato, onion, paneer, jalapeno. This is pizza sauce and cheese. Let's check if the dough is doubled. Now the dough has almost doubled its size. Let's give a nice punch. This looks good. Now we'll add some butter and knead it well. Knead it well. Now we'll dust it with some maida and knead it well. Before moving it to pizza base, we'll get it into a shape. Now we'll move the pizza base to the pizza tray. I've greased this pizza tray with olive oil. Now spread the pizza base evenly onto the tray. make a slight boundary so that our pizza sauce doesn't flow away. Prick the pizza base or else it will get fluffed off. Spread the pizza sauce evenly. Spread the cheese evenly. I'm going to add more cheese because I love it. Now add the other toppings, the veggies, onions, tomato, capsicums. Filled with veggies. Some paneer. After all the toppings, we'll add one more layer of cheese. Preheat the oven for 450 Fahrenheit and keep it for 15 to 20 minutes. Keep checking if it is baked. This is how the pizza looks after baking for 15 minutes. Looks delicious. Please try and let me know in the comments. If you like my recipe, do like, share and subscribe.